Being a data-driven organization, the more you understand your data, the more you're able to transform and translate that data into actionable insights. A very recent project which we are doing for one of the law enforcement agencies in Australia, we have delivered a victim notification system to identify the person who has been victimized by a crime, and then ultimately in real time it processes all this information, identifies what support that victim would need. We have changed an organization's maintenance strategy from a regular schedule to a predictive maintenance, which reduced their people involvement by 60%, and that's a massive savings. And that's why data storytelling and understanding the data is extremely important. That's why digital twins are very, very effective. A digital twin brings the ability to run that test in a simulated environment without impacting productivity, without the risk of breaking anything, is hugely beneficial, and data has the power to do it.
Engineering a smarter future together.